Hi everybody, modern technology never ceases to amaze and the idiocy of Dan Steer non plus. So I can send you a few words by video over YouTube, but the fact that I film it while driving is really just stupid. So sorry for my stupidity, but here I am. Isabel asked me by email to share my main messages with you because unfortunately I can't join you tonight for the dry run. So here's what I'll be talking about next week for the Kluwer meet and greet. First of all, I have two topics, one about ASTD, Denver 2012, what I learned there, and secondly, talking about gamification. So ASTD, I'll be talking about three main things. First of all, the idea that I can't remember. The idea that we need to create a kind of shared responsibility for learning, meaning then that the roles within learning will be changing. People will be doing self-learning, but we'll still need to help them. It can't be about HR sitting in an ivory tower saying what's good for the business. It needs to be about really working together, getting to know the business. We should be co-creating content, so not pretending to be experts either, but getting the people who are involved so that good sharing happens. Okay, so that's the first thing, about shared responsibility for learning. Secondly, investing in engagement, we could put it like that. So I'll be talking a little bit about onboarding and how important that is, a little bit about Generation Y and their arrival in the workplace and what that means. I'll be talking about the importance of respect, the respect effect. So the second topic's really about investing in engagement. And the third topic is about what to do with regard to future trends. So some trends like the fact that people are going to live to 100, that there is big data, that we live in a VUCA world. These kind of things mean that we do need to develop in some new competencies, notably learning agility, the capability of dealing with statistics and analysis, sense making, being able to filter out the noise in your network of learning potential. So that's ASTD. It's about shared responsibility for learning, it's about investing in engagement, it's about developing new competencies that can handle the trends of the future. Second topic will be about gamification. Very simple message. Effective gamification improves learning. So we'll see what I mean by effective gamification. What I don't mean is giving people some points or prizes for doing something that they didn't want to do but they did anyway because they wanted points and prizes. So gamification is a lot more than badges, points and prizes. There are lots of game elements that can be used to create learning, acquisition and implementation of knowledge, skills and attitude. So I'll be giving some different examples from, for example, how I motivate my children to eat their dinner by using game mechanics, all the way to what Ford are doing with their sales team to encourage more effective work, passing by different types of people motivators and different types of game design. What will be interesting to say is that even if you don't do gamification at all, thinking about those people motivators and gaming elements could improve your more classical ways of learning. So there you go, two topics. Sorry not to be there tonight. I hope that you go well. I hope that you enjoy the Prosecco, I don't know how to say that, and mostly that Bob gives you some awesome feedback on your presentation so we can have good success next week. Thanks very much. Eyes on the motorway. Bye bye.